What do you think, Max?
Dougie was in the water.
Yes, I got that. Well, I had that on the first video that I had to get rid of. I know, you guys are all tuckered out now, huh?
Roxy and Callie, easy.
Cody, you all wet. Did you get in the pool?
Bar, please.
Come on, Bart. Careful, y'all just ran right over little Ellie. Hi, Izzy. Hi, Molly. Piggly. Piggly. Hey. Hi. Oh, you just Callie. Callie. What are you doing over here, ladies? Hi, little Lola. Who's in there? Izzy. Hi. Hi, Molly. Finn. Sully, play nice, you beast. Callie.